guys, so I'm going to show you how to make a really cute ribbon wreath, Christmas inspired. What you need is a wreath ring, some Chanel stems, scissors, and cute wire ribbon. This is the pattern I chose. You can have it whatever thickness you'd like. You can even have different patterns. You will need 3 strips of the exact same size. And you're going to stack those 3 strips on top of each other. This is where I say you can have maybe a solid in between if you'd like, but I'm just going to use this really cute pattern ribbon. We're going to scrunch. Take the Chanel stem and just tighten it on the end. Put it right in the center and just secure it in place. You could cut the Chanel stem into smaller stems and then have a separate stem each one around, but I usually just keep mine together. So after you secure the end, you're going to make a loop. And the size is just whatever you choose. A decent size loop. You're going to take the Chanel stem and bring it around and secure it into place. And I'm taking the stem around the 2 inner rings. Secure it in place. You could cut the Chanel stem and then use a separate shorter stem for each time we tie it. It's up to you. And you make another loop. Take that Chanel stem and secure it once more. And you're just going to do this all the way around until you have several loops all the way around. Alright, so if you have any excess when you get to the end, you're just going to cut it off. So this is how it looks when you're all done. Now we're going to separate and fluff. So you just take a loop, I'm going to press it down a little bit, and then just spread them out. I have 3 ribbons, so it should be 3 separate loops. You go to the next one. And again, this is wire, so it should stay where you place it. And you're just going to do this all the way around. Separate and fluff. Alright, so once you've fluffed and adjusted it as needed, this is how it should look. Nice and full. I'm just going to add a ribbon just to give it that last finishing touch. This is a ribbon I'm going to use just to bring out the accented gold trim. I do have a tutorial. I'll put the link in the description box on how to make a bow like this. So you just move over the ribbon, and this does have Chanel stem on the back of it. You're just going to tie it down to the wreath. Just there. You can do 4 or 5 different ribbon patterns if you'd like. You can play around with it and see what works for you. But that's it. Nice, simple ribbon wreath.